This quick tutorial will show you how to add multiple email signatures in Gmail. In the first step, create a minimalist signature for your company's internal email communication. This simple signature will only have the employee's face photo. Save the signature and click the Paste in Email button when you're done. Go to Gmail and paste the HTML content into the signature area in Settings. You need to set a default signature to show the box when composing a new email. If you set the option No Signature, nothing is shown. If everything is right, save the changes. In this second step, create a second email signature for the employee's external communication. For example, messages with the customer and business partners. This email signature will have more information, including your company logo, phone number, and website. Save changes when finished. Again, click the Paste in Email button and copy the rendered content. In Gmail, add the second email signature named External. If everything is right, save the changes and test.